Welcome back, cat lovers. Today, we're going to uncover the fascinating world of feline communication and learn why and how your beloved cat talks to you. Cats may not speak human language, but they have a unique way of expressing themselves that goes beyond just meowing. So, let's dive in and discover the secrets of cat communication. Understanding your cat's body language is key to decoding their messages. When your furry friend approaches you with their tail held high, it's a sign of trust and affection. But if their tail is puffed up or swishing vigorously, they might be feeling agitated or scared. By paying attention to their posture, ears, and eyes, you can gain valuable insights into your cat's emotions. Ah, the classic cat meow. Did you know that adult cats rarely meow at each other? They have reserved this form of communication exclusively for us, their human companions. Each meow can have a different meaning, from a greeting to a request for attention or food. So, the next time your cat meows at you, remember that they're trying to convey something important. Meowing isn't the only way cats communicate. They also use a variety of vocalizations like purring, chirping, and even growling. Purring is often associated with contentment and relaxation, but it can also serve as a self-soothing mechanism when cats are stressed or in pain. Chirping, on the other hand, is a playful sound they make when observing prey or expressing excitement. Have you ever noticed your cat rubbing their head against you or marking their territory by rubbing their scent on objects? This behavior is known as head bunting and is a sign of affection and ownership. It's their way of saying, "You're mine, and I love you." Embrace these tender moments. Your cat truly values your companionship. Speaking of emotions, a cat's eyes can reveal a lot about how they're feeling. When a cat looks at you with slow blinking eyes, it's like sending you a kitty kiss. This is a sign of trust and contentment. Conversely, dilated pupils might indicate excitement or fear. Understanding these cues helps you create a stronger bond with your feline friend. Grooming is an essential part of a cat's routine, and it serves multiple purposes. Not only does it keep their coat clean, but it's also a way of showing affection and bonding. When your cat grooms you, they're essentially welcoming you into their inner circle. So, take it as a compliment when they decide to groom you. Ever received a gift from your cat, like a toy mouse or a feather? Cats are natural hunters, and bringing you their prey is a sign of trust and a desire to care for you as part of their feline family. Accept their presence with gratitude. It's their unique way of saying, "I appreciate you." To build a strong bond with your cat, spend quality time with them. Cats love companionship, and by engaging in activities like playtime or simply sitting together, you reinforce your relationship. The more you invest in understanding their language, the deeper your connection will be. So, the next time you interact with your feline companion, remember that they do talk to you, just not with words. Listen to their body language, vocalizations, and observe their actions. By doing so, you'll unlock the beautiful world of feline communication and create an unbreakable bond with your furry friend. Happy cat talking, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more heartwarming content about our feline friends. Until next time, take care and keep loving your amazing cats. Meow.